Hey everybody, John Doan here from Equinox Home Financing. Today we're going to talk about credit reports and utilization ratios. So what is a utilization ratio? Basically, it's what you use based off of your available credit. So for example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 available limit and you have $5,000 that you owe on that credit card, you have a 50% utilization ratio. That means you've used half of your available limit that you've been given. So basically, if you have a $10,000 limit and you owe $5,000 on your credit card, you have a 50% utilization ratio. Now, this does affect your credit scores quite a bit. Everyone always thinks that it's all about on-time payments or, how long you've had your trade lines. And that's all true. It is true. That all affects it. However, it takes years of on-time payments to equate to low utilization ratios as far as getting better credit scores. So let me give you an example. If you had 3 credit cards that you had balances or limits on up to $30,000 and you owed $30,000, that means you're maxed out. The algorithm with the 3 credit bureaus is gonna see that you are stacked and packed with debt and that your scores are gonna drop. Now, if you came into money and was able to pay that down to 25% utilization ratio or below, that's when your credit scores will go up significantly. So again, in this example here, if you have $30,000 in credit card limits and you only owed below $7,500, you'll have premium credit scores. That's why utilization ratios are so important when trying to improve or repair or just get better credit scores. It's always good to maintain low amounts of debts or balances based on what your credit limits are. And today, that's what I wanted to share about utilization ratios. Subscribe to our channel below so you can find out more about home financing.